Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Buick Regal key fob. This guide focuses on adding a new key when you already possess one working remote control. Before starting, ensure you have all key fobs you intend to use, both existing and new ones, gathered and ready. The entire process is quite straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes for each new remote to be successfully programmed. To begin, take your currently programmed, working key fob and insert it into the ignition cylinder. Turn the ignition to the on position, which is just before starting the engine. Then, quickly turn the ignition back to the OFF position and remove that working key. This prepares your vehicle for the new fob. Now, within 5 seconds of removing the old key, insert your new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on position and hold it there for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, turn the ignition to OFF, and then immediately back to on. This action signals the vehicle to learn the new fob. To complete the programming, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove the newly programmed key fob. Your new remote should now be fully functional. It's a good idea to test all your key fobs, including any existing ones, to ensure they all work correctly after the process. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.